XPENG series first car M03 is coming. I guess it is over 100,000. Let's value it with good, medium, and poor. Korean proprietor on BYD, the leader of this grade. It's 4.78 meters long. On the first car young people may buy, it's not small. The head angle of 35 degrees and its side is quite nice. From those aspects, I can give it 2 goods. The taillight area is too big. There's a board in the middle, so I think its tail is poor. Despite its $3, it has a fastback and it's a hatchback. Remember my words, a fastback without a hatchback is intolerable. The good, its whole shape is quite sleek. The front spoiler, the edgy eyes. You see, pillar has a smooth spoiler, which reduces wind drag, and the 200,000. Nobody gives you 0,194 low wind drag. Good. Also a car affordable for the young people. The premium version has the Michelin e-Primacy tires, which have a good sense of grade. Good. The rim of the premium version seems very sporty. However, its color is black and gray, so I gave it medium comment. Pay attention, the suspension is a bit high, which makes the car seems a bit high seen from side. But I asked the manufacturer, it's not the standard height of the suspension, so production one will be a bit lower, so no comments. The front engine, the low end, has 140 kW, the premium version 160 kW. The structure, including the power-up engine, is medium. The assisted driving, it has 0 and millimeter way. What matters the most of the car of the cinema price. Went over a 45-degree cross-vision camera, so considering its price, I think I can give the assisted driving a hardware a good comment. There's a shame I asked the manufacturer. Though it has a converter for alternating current and direct current, the car doesn't support the V2L. Since you have the hardware, just use it. It's just software which can be used. So that will be the first bad. In case of batteries, the LTC 550 km and 620 km. The batteries capacities are not announced, I guess. It's 50 hours and 70 hours, 2 visions. Having watched this HanLu, what do you think its price will be?